How to create Outlier AI account. Want to earn by training AI models? Here's the easy guide to creating your Outlier AI account. So go to outlier.ai/n/expert/sign up, and then go ahead and sign up for an account on the platform so you can manually enter your personal information into the section. You can also sign up with your Google account. So once you have signed up for an account on that section, you need to provide your academic background and work experience. Outlier prefers college graduates, MAs, or PhDs. Verify your identity and phone number, and this ensures authenticity and account security. Pass skill checks like coding challenges, language tasks, or problem creation. These qualify you for projects, and once verified, your account is active. You can browse projects and start contributing. Outlier pays weekly with competitive rates. Work flexibly from anywhere, anytime. Creating an Outlier AI account is straightforward. Sign up, verify, pass skill tests, and start earning by training AI.